How y'all doing? Hope y'all having a good day. I was just thinking, sitting here. It's Thursday, it's payday. I was just sitting here thinking, and when I was in high school, everybody talks about this high school, what was I remember for and everything, and I was just wild and crazy and into stupid shit all the time. And I remember a teacher telling me one time, I ain't gonna call the teacher's name because they still teach now, that I wasn't. I needed to be ready to work hard because I probably, with my attitude, I wasn't gonna amount nothing but a construction worker or something like that. It just really hurt my feelings. I mean, the teacher was right. I'm just an old stupid construction worker. How'd that work out for you? Fucking $35,000 a year teaching degree. Suck on fat baby's dick. Yeah, I'm fucking blue collar, fucking tradesman trash. I fucking love it. Mama's little failure right here. Fuck you.